Eggplant grilled over an open flame. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making one of my favorite appetizers, smoky eggplant dip, also called Baba Ganoush. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat grill to high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice eggplant in half, lengthwise. Score the eggplant's pulp. Into a crisscross pattern. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other chips and dip recipes. If you enjoy what we are cooking, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new recipes. Coat the skin of eggplant with olive oil. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and liquid smoke. Whisk until combined. Evenly spread mixture over and between the scored eggplant. Set aside. Place a dry skillet over low heat. Add salt, garlic powder, and ground cumin. Toast until fragrant. 2 to 3 minutes. Remove spices from heat. What is your favorite eggplant dish? Tell us your response in the comments below the video. Once heated, spray grate with nonstick grilling spray. Grill eggplant, skin side down, for 10 minutes. Turn eggplant over. And grill 4 minutes. Turn one final time. And grill 2 to 4 minutes. The pulp should be soft and bubbly. Remove from heat. To cool. Once cooled, remove pulp from eggplant and allow excess moisture to drain by placing pulp into a sieve. If you are enjoying this easy eggplant recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Once drained, transfer pulp to a food processor, along with toasted spices and tahini. Also add lemon juice and minced garlic. Process while slowly adding olive oil. Around 1 minute. Taste, and if needed, adjust seasoning. Transfer to a container. I'm giving one to a friend. Form a well in the center and fill with olive oil. Garnish with parsley and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.